Let's learn how to count in Korean. Korean has two completely different number systems. First, we learn native Korean numbers, which are the ones Koreans use for counting things, telling your age, and talking about hours of the day. Let's start counting 1 through 10.
하나, 둘, 셋, 넷, 다섯, 여섯, 일곱, 여덟, 아홉, 열.
The best way to learn them is just repetition. Say them out loud a few times until they start to feel natural. Now here's where it gets easier. For the bigger numbers, you only need to memorize the tens.
스물, 서른, 마흔, 쉰.
And the great part is to make any number in between, you just combine the tens and the ones. So if you want to say 23, it's
스물셋,
37.
서른일곱.
Now, one quick thing to keep in mind, these native Korean numbers only go up to 99. Once you get to 100 and beyond, Koreans switch to a completely different system called Sino-Korean numbers. For now, focus on getting comfortable with 1 through 10 and the 10s up to 50. Let's learn Sino-Korean numbers, originally come from Chinese. Use Sino-Korean numbers for dates, money, minutes, and phone numbers. Use the native Korean numbers we learned earlier for counting things, saying your age and hours. I will read the numbers on the book.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 100, 1000, 만.
To make bigger numbers, you just stack them together like building blocks. 11, that's
11,
Once you memorize 1 through 10, you can build pretty much any number. Practice these alongside the native Korean numbers and you'll have counting in Korean completely covered.